yourself and what what got interested in joining Shankana and what's your educational background?
Okay, my name is Felix Kwemoi. I learned about Sankiana from my friend. He told me I could learn more and develop my skills better from as because currently I finished my degree in computer science, so I wanted to learn more about and increase my skills in what I'm doing. Yes,
Okay. How was the training content?
the training was okay. The person who was supervising us was okay. He was replying to me, my projects, and everything. I did not find any difficulty
Okay.
during the
Is
uh,
your training? What did you learn that is too much useful?
what I learned.
Yeah.
Yeah, I learned about Django framework and Python and also Flask. Yeah, and I'm still training, and it helped me a lot because before it gave me a better understanding of how it works. Yeah.
What do you think could be improved?
Mm, I think maybe the meetings could be more. Yeah, because sometimes the 2 hour meetings maybe for some people who are not very good at some of the stuff, maybe they might require a lot of training time compared to others.
Okay. What did
Uh,
you see yourself in the next 5 years?
in the next 5 years,
Yeah.
uh, currently I want to focus on being a full stack developer, and maybe the next 5 years I want to be a full stack developer and just be in the field of tech, continuing what I'm doing, like continuing learning. Yeah.
Okay. What's the
Mm.
best advice you have ever received?
Really, the best advice I have to
Okay. What motivates you?
what motivates me. I like learning, yeah, and
Mm.
learning new stuff daily. So what motivates me is maybe just learning new stuff and learning how things work.
Okay. Uh,
Mm.
what are your goals?
Uh, my goals are in the future. Maybe again, I just want to continue being better and trying to improve my skills and be better at being a full stack developer and maybe learn more languages, Django, Laravel. Yeah, currently I'm also learning Laravel due to the knowledge I had previously from Django. Yeah.
How do you feel yourself before and after joining the course?
Yeah, I felt like I learned a lot because before the course I had no knowledge of the full stack framework, like the back end framework like Django. So it has helped me even now I'm learning about Laravel.
Do you recommend this course to of your friends?
Yes, definitely I will recommend it to many of my friends to learn something.
Okay. Thank you, Felix.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for joining. And
Thank
is it okay if we upload this on our social media?
you. No problem.
Okay. Thank you, Felix.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining.